Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is how we can convert our plants into trees. Most of the times we are purchasing our plants from nursery. We are planting this, we are giving water. But after few years we are thinking why it is not a tree. It is not a tree just because of that there are some lacking of horticultural practices we are not doing. If we will do those horticultural practices properly each and every month, then our plant would be converted into a tree within 8 to 10 or 8 to 12 months. Within 1 year it would be a tree. How we can use these horticultural practices to make our plants into trees? Let's move and demonstrate. Okay, we have a plant. In this plant we have to do 3 simple practices after each month. First of all, in the basin of plant, each and every month give fertilizer. Properly you will give fertilizer like cow manure, compost, urea, NPK and shuffle it. Plant will ultimately grow well. Second of all, brushing of stem from bottom to top. These are stubbles, small branches. These are taking extra water, extra nutrients, and plant is not growing well. So in this way you have to cut these. You will cut these, and this is called brushing of stem from bottom to top. You will cut it, you will cut it, you will cut it. This is a horticultural practice. After every month you must have to brush your stem from bottom to top. Ultimately after 2 months, 3 months you will see the girth of stem would increase. Third of all, the canopy. The upper 1 feet or 1.5 feet size of canopy you must retain. You have to cut the lateral branches. Plant will grow ultimately towards top level. This is called apical dominance. In apical dominance, the plant foliage would be dense. These 3 horticultural practices after every month: giving the fertilizer, brushing of stem, and cutting, pruning and trimming of leaf foliage, your plant will grow, will move towards tree within minimum time. And luckily, if you have a rain, please note that if you have a rain, luckily after the rain within 2 to 3 days, brush your stem from bottom to top and cut the leaf foliage. Within a month you will see prominent growth in girth of stem and leaf foliage, because after the rain, when plants take all the nutrients forcefully, it exerts a force on the growth. Next I'll come with the new topic of horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.